Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make McDonald's hot mustard sauce. Hit it! Alright, well, welcome back and thanks a lot for joining us. If this is your first time though, please do me a favor, head down to the corner, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make McDonald's hot mustard sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We're going to start out with 6 tablespoons of mustard. I do have Dijon mustard we're going to use for this, and I'll tell you why when we're mixing this up. 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, 4 teaspoons of dry mustard, 1.5 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Alright, well the reason I've got Dijon mustard is because, you know, the yellow mustard that you see on the store shelves, they just don't bring the heat that we're looking for here, and all we're really adding for heat is a little cayenne and some vinegar and a little bit of the dry mustard as well, because it's kind of that Chinese mustard. But I wanted to use the Dijon mustard because it's bringing a little bit more to the table in the way of heat, so it'll be a better mustard flavor and also with a little bit more heat as well. So let's start mixing this up. Alright, now if you're a friend of the show, you know we always start making our sauces with a bowl that is always big enough to hold everything we have for the ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and add our Dijon mustard in here. And remember, all the ingredients will be listed down in the description box, so check that out, along with all the other groovy links that I've got down there. I got our mayonnaise in there. I'm going to add our corn syrup here. This basically is just something that adds a little volume to the recipe, a little bit of flavor, and kind of crystallizes any sugars that are in there, or stops the crystals, or it stops the sugar from becoming crystallized. Then we're going to add our sugar, our powdered mustard, the apple cider vinegar, and the cayenne. We've got them all in there. I am just going to mix this all up. Alright, I'm going to get this mixed up, pour it in a little bowl for some pictures, add some music in there, and then you guys can check those out, and then we're going to come back and taste this. Alright, let's give this a try. It's got some nice color to it. There is that chicken nugget with this hot mustard sauce. It's bringing the heat. Now for full transparency, I have never ever had McDonald's hot mustard sauce, so I don't know if this is anywhere close to it. I think I may have taken a liberty with the Dijon because that's pretty much all I'm tasting in this. It does have the creaminess because the mayonnaise was added in there. I can taste the Dijon more than anything else. You can get hints of that savoriness from that soy sauce. A little bit of sugar and that corn syrup kind of leveled out the heat of that Dijon and the tanginess of it. But it's got some really, really good flavor. So I would recommend this. I would try it out with regular mustard. Just substitute the 6 tablespoons of the mustard that I use with your regular yellow mustard that you find in the store. But other than that, this is a good for chicken. It's really, really good. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Go down and leave a comment. Like this video. And don't forget to check out the groovy links down below and share this video with everybody you know. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.